This next song is another original piece I wrote after spending some time up on Mauna Kea. For weeks I had been watching video on the evening news about the tension, the negotiations between the state, the Kiaʻi, Hawaiian Homes Commission on the hillside at Mauna Kea, designated Hawaiian homes. They choose to take that spot and be the place where they would activate and state their case regarding the telescopes at Mauna Kea. We're not against science. We're not against moving forward. Just don't do it on our sacred grounds with sacred water and a history of our kupuna and genealogy. One of the real shocking moments for me was seeing a video of one of the elders getting arrested with a zip tie around her arms, loaded in the van, taken away. It took some time. HPD did their best to cooperate and not be too confrontive. Immediately they were released from jail. I wrote this song called Eo Kiaʻi Mauna for the kupuna. And there's a place in a song I sing. Kupuna warriors put their lives on the line. And I shout, Eo. So if you want to shout with me, Kupuna warriors put their lives on the line. Eo. Kupuna warriors put their lives on the line. Eo, eo, Kiaʻi Mauna. Our people hear the call. Come one and all, as we unite on the mountain. For the powers that be manifest their greed and desecrate our motherland. We stand in Kaʻu, hand in hand we make our stand. Here we go. Kupuna warriors put their lives on the line. Eo! People from far and wide join with our stride and stand with us in unity. Solidarity for all the world to see. Truth will prevail and set us free. We stand in Kaʻu aloha, hand in hand we make our swing. Kupuna warriors put their lives on the line. Eo, eo, Kiaʻi Mauna. Kiaʻi Mauna for our kupuna, our aina.